I don't know who needs to hear this, but today is the day. It's time that you stop letting fear of the unknown, fear of success, fear of failure, fear of disappointment, fear of judgment, fear of criticism, any fear stop you from taking the steps you need to take to start or scale your business. An acronym for fear is false evidence appearing real. That fear you have, it's based on limiting beliefs that we all were raised to have. That there has to be an obstacle, things can't be easy. All these negative things that we learn from our friends and our family and from society. In all actuality, that is only a limitation if you allow it to be a limitation. What you want to work on in order for you to have true success in your business and true success in life in general is to work through those fears, identify them, and resolve them so that you can go forward in everything you do, including business, with no fear. You step into your knowing season, your confidence season, your I can do anything season. So today is the day. Take a step today to do something to get your business started. If you already started a business and maybe it just became stagnant, take a step. Write something down, research something, do what you can. And coming soon, I'm going to have a great community on Facebook that'll be available to my FEM CEOs where you can get additional help and resources, tools, and tips that you need to help start or scale your business. So stay tuned.